Siyazin gari shakal mao, but SPLA IO, but real SPLA, but SPLA DC, but SPLA Kosum, but NAS, but Munu. Salva Kiir Majim Fuka Nas, but a beggar, ya beggar. Ay, Salva Kiir Fuka Nas, but a beggar. Nada got a sirak beggar. Nada got a sirak beggar, which you know, dang of the Bargazala got a sirak beggar. But Rumbek did we, I got a pot, I got a pot, I got a pot. Fogu 91. Denga cow test. With the new bigger basala, people are questioning Salva Kiir, Mudang, Ben, the Danga Garazal. Imudang Ben, Yamula Rod Ben, Yella Chulu Basala, Anga Raja Lonki, Yella Nuer Batala, Muju to all Yella Moria, Yella Mola, Leverage, Nemariatum, Yella not got it him Lari, Kakuma. Amanatokoi. Amanatokoi. This is bad news. Nothing there to celebrate. What are you celebrating? What are you celebrating? Salva Kiir, Lokander, Salam Adil, Gedede, Ashan can be fixed here. Sip, Walat Nata, Beggar, Sip Zola Sirak Maradazole, Sip Zola Sirak Beggar, fix Yazin, Asham Salam Jifijin Ubusran. Fix Yazin, Siazin. Release prisoner of a political prisoner. Lani, you sending a message. I get the last day, all the thing happen in 2025. You will leave them behind. And you will become a new man, which we call born again. Born again, which we call in Kanisa born again. So Salva Kiir, you could release a prisoner of war, prisoner of or political prisoner, for them to continue implementing what is not provisional normally implemented. But Tamshi Bargazel, Aramin da beggar, they will go back to cow type again. Azare, now the Fogwas a Jabu Kalam Barazal, Zola Fogum Bari, Sajano Aletan, Lana Surak beggar Razoltan. This is what we call SPLA. Denga way, Denga kingdom way. Now, for Tani, I have a good news for Gambela way. Rajil Litorogun. I said my word concerning Gambela, and Dr. Abiy is doing exactly what I asked Dr. Abiy to do. Dr. Abiy is not doing Jogi a favor, is not doing nobody a favor. Kalamana good and salam lazim give for Gambela, salam jaw for Gambela. Asa not garim sijin. People are going to Karshalla, Gambela salamu for yet the federal government. Muji said government, but I like about Gambela shallow barra for yet the state government, salamu for yet the federal government. Dictor Abiy we not got a code yesterday. Karshalla malla by Nyak, malla by Nuer, malla by Izol. Walele ma vishakala nas gad anywa gad ko for Gambela izol ma je ma fi kalam abaja silija abaja mer bakalanjin ko bas ma der kalam faade daade alama faade be kalam da robijis alama faade be kalam da kosum bas izol bas amal ngwe kede sejin bi malian ada shuf kasan bataya lele anywa gad ko for social media je toj what maana gudelekum that in the end ite ko kun kasran. You will be the victim. Bek mukbutak de mukul tagil ta ling chor ling de. Mana kun kalam de. Ana good de kalam de fi mahal radio. This very fucking radio. That do to my nyag de Hill Salam. That war will never settle well with you. You don't make decision. But a refugee or kosum. Dr. Abiy. The kalam na garo what I said. Dr. Abiy will make the decision, not you. You are nobody to make a decision of Gambela. Who can live in Gambela? Who cannot live in Gambela? It's not up to you. No matter Quebec. The Munuba go for Gambela, Nuer refugees, none of your business. None of your fucking business. The Kalamana go for Labra, that's Anyak Bokori, government beside the mark. I let Anyak got a Kuru. Anyak got a Kuru government said a moment. So you know Anyak bed to bath with Ajesh. So you know for Gambela bed to bath with Ajesh. Bed to bath with a police, Kalamana go lekum dark. Mer begin my bear. Salam daja quiz. That kalam I know what I'm talking about. Kalam ling them up with Sheila Imal. I rather talk about a go kade. And Nuer is going nowhere. And the Nuer, the woman refugee, they came because of Addis Ababa, not because of Anyuak. The contract signed by UN for them to live in Gambela. Contract now ready to Rabi over Karabudama Anyuak. Anyuak have no power to destroy that contract of refugee. The Kalamana good of Male. Tell that Katagda no Queen that Chimian Nasser that do to you will become a victim of mine, but I linked it. And Lela Anyuak is crying. They wish, they hope, they listen to me. Will you be Roman Arago? Yal Roman God Figaba? Ukuma ja Lela Mugamanur. Ukuma Tabas Mugamanur. That's Anyuak are troublemakers. Anyuak are troublemakers. The Kalamada de Torabi. Uje Jabu Jet with Abba de Lele, Amulu to flow to Gambela Kulu. Unas Anyuak big about Yanago a tweet. By tweet cable, watching over tweet, but no here. Check out tweet, I didn't get it. I'm your cousin, I warn you the link, but I'm going to I know what I'm talking about. For 2022, I know what Malcolm. I defend you not because I don't like Nuer. But kill my Nuer can go, but what Nuer said for 2022 that Anyuak will be web out. Kalam web out there, Jabana Pamale, to defend you. Otherwise, I don't know. Then we shall like Gambela. Kalam web out there. That's when I came here. And I make you strong for them with Nuer Kulu. But this time, when you're making the same mistake that you will web Nuer out, Nuer will be web out for Gambela. I came here, I stand by Agiga, but Nuer. Oh, Kunyinanga. I warn you, the Torabi will take Kalamatai. Kalamatai, the Torabi Bishiru. The Makalamatay. Kalam, you decide that Nuer will go back to South Sudan. No, Nuer will never go back to South Sudan. Whether the refugee in Penido, they will never go back to South Sudan. They will be in Penido protected by federal government. Protected by the Torabi. Just Bejibu to protect them. The Kalam, the New York Geneva Convention. Refugee. Lo de kalamata jinsiya but about the citizenship but Nuer fi about that of Gambela da you will never take that out too. Fi Nuer but about to fi Anyuak but about fi Nuer but Junub fi Anyuak but Junub mano shigrante. Don't you know in Nuer garamal batal lo ana salo ko mana ko do to Anyuak de al garamal drama war drama fi Minnesota da de wanna jog Gambela ask yourself why are you in Minnesota? How did you come to Minnesota? How did you come to Minnesota mean the army Gambela? No una job Gambela, job, but this you know job for Minnesota. It's a job called the job critical legend. So now since when legend they become crime. Since when being a legend they become a crime. Now you want to kill them. But you see with America for yet but legend. And I want you to just look for agency with that. Low in the green card, if you are a resident. Permanent resident with green card. When you came to America, or you came to Canada, or you came to Australia, you came by I-94 from refugee resettlement. The same number of attacks with I-94 are only 24 to green card. When you become a resident, permanent resident. When you apply, then after 2 years. After 2 years, when you arrive to USA. 1 year and a half in USA, you apply for green card. Your number of I-94 was 24 to green card. Dr. Okun very wise. Now, you live in America, you stay in America for 4 years and a half, and then you apply for citizenship. The same number, US Charlo, mean green card to your citizenship. What does that mean? You are a refugee. You are a refugee. You are not citizen of this country. That's Jinsia Fiat, but they can be revoked. Can be revoked anytime. If you commit, for example, and you are Gawi, wanna jog Gambela, you went to Nebraska where there is Nuer, and you kill Nuer, it's a cattle Nuer, why? Kede Okuma, the United States will take you to jail. You will serve your time in jail. 30 years, 40 years, according to U.S. jurisdiction, or where you commit crime. After serving 30 years, you will be deported. Guess where you will be deported? Anyuak, but Gambela. Guess where you will be deported? You will not be deported to Gambela. You will not be deported to Abaj. You will be deported to South Sudan. You will be deported to South Sudan. Now I know you came as a refugee. Abaj mind a refugee. Abaj have no refugee. Look at your document, your birth place to Sudan. Sudan, the Abaj. Wanna jog Gambela, oh man, Nuer, wanna jog Gambela. Look at your citizens, look at your documents in America. Your birth certificate is written Sudanese, not Abaj. Sudanese, not Abaj. I'm a Sudanese. It's a Sudanese. Abaj down there, they're private, Lena. They're private. They're private. We don't have to make noise about it. Now, there's a Nuer who came to America too, Nuer with that young. They came to America according to UN resettlement form as a South Sudanese. Nuer regard for America, they don't talk. They don't talk like a nyak. They're quiet because they know they commit crime. Then you came to America by resettlement, you commit crime to get to UN. And if UN find out for America, you will be deported. So no regard to America, they're quiet. Women got him for Lincoln, Nebraska. Lincoln, Nebraska, got Jack Malian enough for Lincoln, Nebraska. They're quiet. Then they know they benefit from something don't belong to them. And they say, thank you, refugee of South Sudan, or Nuer, Sudan. Like, no. When I talk Gambela, no, shut up. You cannot be Jog Gambela for Canada, for Australia, for America. Wiji bungo. You cannot scream for Gambela, you cannot scream for America, Canada, Australia. When I Jog Gambela, no. You're a refugee of South Sudan. Refugee of South Sudan. Should you be deported today, you will not be deported to Abaj. You will be deported to South Sudan. So Nuer of Abaj benefit from refugee. While Nuer of Abaj benefit from refugee. Mano Shigrante. There's no problem in it. Where do you get the problem? Why don't you and benefit from it? Mafi. They're making noise. Another, who will kick? Another baktul. As another shackle, Kasarat Kulu de Batak. Nuer is still in Gambela in Newland. Nuer is still citizen Batak Gambela. Nuer is still in Peñido. Arad Batak Arak, Ukuma Jawaga Manuer. Galu Nuer is not wrong. What I said, Nuer is not wrong. Nuer is fighting in self-defense. You cannot tell them they're wrong, they're fighting in self-defense. If you have a problem with Nuer being in your land in Abaya as a refugee, go talk to Dr. Abi. Chaneke Dr. Abi. Ibu Chaneke Nuer. Chaneke Dr. Abi. Chaneke Addis Ababa. De kalam matai. O yao kalam de kalamu alele. Anywa gade kore za walo speaking. Ana shaba kwa anukulu anywa gade kore. Oh, sejenu nas kubad. Mapu sejenu kef. De chokula hukuma. That's why I warn you. That don't do it. Don't do it. They batal. Well, it is already too late. As I tell my decision, Karshala Viga Malian by Nyak down. Oh, Shabab for social media woman basal. Eh, Galfia, Walata, Nyak Garam, no more Walata, Nyak de Ganun. De Ganun, no more Walata, Nyak, Galanyak, and Nyak Managa, Benyao, but I win with the bungo. The man yao de wiji bungo, deal get but don't luo wiji bungo. You should use your mind. You should use your mind and make up all of that there's a crime being committed in the land of Anyuak, and then you can complain to Dr. Abi. You cannot kill people. You have no right. You have no that right to kill Nuer. For the killing of Nuer Java Batal. So Ali Mugru Nuer. Ali Mugru for Gambela, you win. You win your case. Now I have a warning to Nuer. I have a warning to Chemare Noir. Now, you are a yil sometime. There are too many yil sometime. When you know that you have a power, you will go destroy it. But too many ways, you will find a way to destroy it. Biayer. Chaya kam chuang bun. Chaya kam chuang de Torabi. But choya chuang me biayer. Biagbut, you will find a way to destroy it. You will find a way to destroy it. And sooner or later, you will look like a criminal. Now, that's Chaya Kam Chuang, a Kuma Bun, then that's good. Churai Gadung Court for social media, Mother Kalam Shakala for social media, go do other thing. Let Ukuma deal with Anyak. Let the government deal with Anyak. Anyak Majale Kum Madam Shilanyak. Kanye de ba Anuak, Pala Anuak. Say woman, the government is dealing with them now. If you listen to Anuak language, it is very worse now in Gambela. People are going to jail. And Anuak is not happy with that. Anuak thought the government will side with them, that refugee must go. No, no. Refugee, they came there because of war. You cannot kick them out. No way. No way. Nobody can kick them out. And he said they will be protected. Like now, Judge Badaba Jabu. Judge Adil get the federal ma said Machagal Tari, county Machagal, Kalamana Gurem Dare, that immigration is a policy of federal government. The Kalamatai. And Azul Tamam Yakwana. And Azul Tamam, I said all the thing. I said all the thing, but they don't want to learn something. I said immigration policy is not a state policy, it's not a county policy, it's a federal government policy. Now you know that it is a government policy. The Torabi. With the Torabi Jabjesh to Gambela. Ugambela Salamule federal government. So here Nuer, take that opportunity, mind your business, forget about the war, go do other thing. Lo Anuak Jabu Mal Batagu Mukuma Bishuf. Lo Kuma Ma Bishuf, Nuer Bishuf. Salute guys. Bye bye.